Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're cooking up low-carb spicy keto ramen, a hearty and flavorful dish with the perfect kick of spice, all while staying keto-friendly. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1 package keto-friendly ramen noodles, like shirataki or kelp noodles. 1 tablespoon butter. 1 clove garlic. Minced. 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes. 1 teaspoon sugar-free sweetener, brown sugar substitute. 1/2 teaspoon everything bagel seasoning. 2 tablespoons soy sauce, or liquid aminos for a soy-free option. Optional toppings: soft-boiled egg, sliced green onion, sesame seeds. Directions: cook the keto-friendly ramen noodles according to the package instructions, then drain and set aside. In a medium skillet, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and red pepper flakes, and sauté until fragrant. Stir in the sugar-free sweetener, everything bagel seasoning, and soy sauce, or liquid aminos. Add the cooked noodles to the skillet and toss until the noodles are evenly coated with the sauce. Serve immediately and top with optional garnishes like a soft-boiled egg, green onions, and sesame seeds. Prep time: 10 minutes. Cooking time: 5 minutes. Total time: 15 minutes. kcal: 180 kilocalories. Servings: 1 serving. Don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cook Master Tips, for more delicious content.